Drowning in clutter? Meet the Sywhitta 3-tier utility cart. Your storage lifesaver. Ever feel like clutter has taken over your life? Papers piling up, kitchen gadgets spilling out of drawers, and toiletries crowding every inch of counter space? It's time for a rescue mission. Meet the Sywhitta 3-tier rolling utility cart, the multifunctional hero ready to tackle your mess. With 3 spacious tiers, smooth rolling wheels, and a sleek black design, this storage powerhouse is here to restore order. No more chaos, just organized bliss on wheels. What's worse than clutter? Storage that doesn't move when you need it to. Luckily, the Sywhitta Cart comes with 4 360-degree rotating wheels, 2 of which lock for stability. Move it from room to room with ease, and when it's time to park, lock it in place like a pro. Built with lightweight plastic and reinforced iron pipes, this cart is sturdy enough to hold your essentials without breaking a sweat. Its mobility meets durability, ready for whatever you throw its way. Running out of space is frustrating, but Sywhitta's got you covered. With deep, tiered shelves and hollow-out designs for airflow, this cart keeps your items visible, clean, and dust-free. Whether you're storing kitchen spices, toiletries, office supplies, or craft materials, it adapts to your needs. It's compact enough for tight spaces yet spacious enough for bulk storage. Finally, a storage solution that grows with you. Assembly nightmares? Not here. The Sywhitta utility cart comes with easy-to-follow instructions and snap-together parts, so you'll have it set up in minutes. Customers rave about its quick assembly and perfect fit for small spaces. At just under 3.5 pounds, it's light enough to carry but sturdy enough to handle the daily grind. It's functional, affordable, and built to last, a winning combination for busy homes. Why settle for clutter and chaos when you can roll into order? The Sywhitta 3-tier utility cart offers premium quality and versatility at a budget-friendly price. Its durable frame, lockable wheels, and sleek design make it a must-have for every home. Whether you need a kitchen companion, office organizer, or bathroom buddy, Sywhitta gets the job done. Don't just clean, transform your space today.